Start solving. Try this. There's a spring of force constant 10 Newton per centimeter. There's a force spring of force constant 10 Newton per centimeter. Question is find extension in the spring. Find extension in the spring. Anyone? Hello.
So what is this force constant?
Force constant, that is restoring force developed per unit displacement. If you pull it by 1 centimeter, then a force of 10 Newton is developed within the spring. We have done a question on this. See, if you pull the spring by some distance, a force is developed within it. Remember? If you pull a spring, it tries to restore its original length, right?
Yes, sir.
So how much force it develops to restore the length? 10 Newton for every centimeter. 10 Newton for every centimeter. Question is, if a load of 5 kg, mass 5 kg is suspended from it, what will be extension in the spring?
A 5 centimeter.
5 centimeter.
Correct. 5 kg is suspended. So what is weight of 5 kg? Weight is m into g. That
5
means
times 10, 50 and
50. So 10 Newton for every centimeter. So 50 Newton for 5 centimeter. That's it. So extension is 50 upon 10. That is 5 centimeter. The chance. Right? I'll explain again. Anyone?
no, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So what do you mean by find the normal reaction?
See, there was a force. If this block is applying a force on this lift floor, then lift floor exerts a force on it in upward direction. Remember?
Yes, sir.
So that reaction is what you have to find. लक्ष्य कर रहे हो ट्राई ना?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. First one is clear?
Yes, sir.
Second one, anyone? Second question, anyone? Prisha,
No, sir.
answer to this. Acha. Let me explain a word, FBD. We call it free body diagram. Free body diagram. Not very difficult concept, but it's very important. To understand whether the object is accelerating or not, or if it is accelerating or not, then what is net force, what all forces are acting on. The first thing you should do is you should draw free body diagram. Like which object you are studying. You're studying lift floor or you're studying the block kept in a lift. Question क्या है? अच्छा, find normal reaction acting on block. Acting on block. So we are studying this block. ठीक है? So draw block first. Draw block. Right? Using arrows, show the direction of forces, various forces acting on this object. Name one force which is acting on this object. Anyone? ये 50 kg का block दिख रहा है ना? Name a force which is acting on this.
The gravitation.
Gravitational.
Obviously gravitational force. किस direction में लग रहा होगा?
The downward
Downward.
direction.
Downward. तो put an arrow like this. Arrow. ठीक है? कितना force है ये? What is the gravitational force acting on this object?
10 Newton.
500 Newton.
500 Newton. mg. 500 Newton is the force acting on it. Right? So what is gravitational force acting on this block? 500 Newton. ठीक है? एक तो ये हो गया. नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स में से एक ही फोर्स आता है हमेशा, दैट इज ग्रेविटी. नाउ कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस, दो टाइप के फोर्सेस होते हैं. वी हैव डिस्कस्ड नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस एंड कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस. सो कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस तो नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स तो ग्रेविटी हो गया, एक ही है हमारे सिलेबस में 9th में, 10th में और मिलेंगे. अदर इज कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस. कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस कहां से लगते हैं? जहां पे कॉन्टैक्ट हो. तो डू यू सी
Friction.
दिस ब्लॉक? फ्रिक्शन. तो फ्रिक्शन कब होगा? फ्रिक्शन लगता है सरफेसेस के पैरेलल. याद है? ऐसे लगेगा. फ्रिक्शन लगना है तो ऐसे या तो ऐसे लगेगा. और वो कब लगेगा? जब इसकी टेंडेंसी इधर इधर जाने की होगी. डू यू थिंक दिस ऑब्जेक्ट हैज अ टेंडेंसी टू मूव लेफ्ट और राइट?
Also.
नो. तो फ्रिक्शन नहीं लग रहा है. कांटेक्ट में वो इस लिफ्ट के फ्लोर से है. राइट? इट इज इन कांटेक्ट विद लिफ्ट फ्लोर. लिफ्ट फ्लोर से क्या फोर्स आता था? What is the name of the force which comes from lift floor? Yeah, any floor on which you are standing or are supported?
Normal reaction.
Normal reaction. इस डायरेक्शन में नॉर्मल रिएक्शन है. इसको बोलते हैं फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम. फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम means what? Free the body from all the contacts and show the forces acting on this object using arrows. इसको बोलते हैं फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम. तो ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. 50 kg का ब्लॉक है and I see only two forces acting on it. एक है नीचे की तरफ gravitational pull और एक ऊपर की तरफ है normal reaction. Do you see any other force acting on it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. These are the only two forces acting on it. Then next step is we call it kinetic diagram. Mark the acceleration. Acceleration किधर है इसका? ऊपर की तरफ है, नीचे की तरफ है? Acceleration इसका कहाँ है?
Downward.
Downwards. यहाँ कहीं लिखा हुआ, मेंशन किया हुआ?
नहीं सर, शायद ऊपर की तरफ है.
शायद ऊपर की तरफ. Acceleration is 0.
Oh yeah, sorry. Constant speed.
Constant speed से ऊपर जा रहा है तो acceleration is 0. Right? Good. चलो तो अभी acceleration is 0. Now acceleration 0 ऐसे कैसे acceleration 0? न्यूटन ने बोला था क्या 0 होगा acceleration? या बोला था तो क्या बोला था? What did Newton say in its laws? Say.
So if
Newton
the
ने laws.
acceleration is 0, it is either moving with constant speed or it's at rest.
Oh, this is not Newton laws of motion. This is definition of acceleration. Newton's laws of motion में क्या लिखा हुआ? Newton's laws of motion में लिखा हुआ है if acceleration is 0 then net force acting is 0. नहीं लिखा? न्यूटन के फर्स्ट लॉ में यही लिखा हुआ है. Every object continues to be in state of rest or state of motion unless until acted upon by external unbalanced force. अगर unbalanced force लगेगा तो उसको accelerate होना पड़ेगा. अगर accelerate नहीं हो रहा है मतलब net force 0 है. Forces are balanced. नहीं लगता आपको ऐसा?
Yes, sir.
बोलो 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 डाउट है तो वापस एक्सप्लेन करूं मैंने क्या बोला और all of you are convinced?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So if acceleration is 0, net force has to be 0. That means total upward force should be equal to total downward force. Therefore, normal reaction is 500. So normal reaction is 500 Newton. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. Next question, man. Again, there is a lift. The same thing. Find normal reaction acting on block. Acting on block. So find normal reaction acting on block. Again, the same question. This time there is an acceleration. इस बार acceleration है. But still, you follow the same procedure. Do one thing. Draw the FBD. Free body diagram बनाओ. वो block पे कितने forces दिख रहे हैं आपको? ये block को मैं side में draw करता हूँ. How many forces do you see acting on that block?
So two.
Two force. One is
Normal reaction and
force.
A
gravity.
normal
Other
reaction is 400 Newton.
Okay, let's see. थोड़ा सा कहीं गलती करी आपने. Let's see क्या हो. Total forces. I can see only two forces acting on it. One is gravitational pull that will act downwards. Other is normal reaction. That is the support which comes from force which comes from support. Right. So normal reaction acting upwards and weight acting downwards. And all I see is this block is accelerating upwards. No. This
So normal
block
reaction
is-
has to be more than the
Yes,
downward.
normal reaction has to be more than
the
downward.
gravitational force.
Yes, yes. So acceleration is 2 meter per second square. So what Newton had said in second law?
F is equals to ma.
MA.
F equals to ma. That F is net force. So net force must be equal to mass into net acceleration, or let us say acceleration. What are the net forces? What will be net force acting on this object? Mass is 50 kg. Acceleration is 2.
Newton.
Is 200
Net
Newton.
force is 100, right? And that too in upward direction. Net force is 100 upwards, right? ठीक है. But 500 तो नीचे. That means upward should be 600. And to be precise,
500
we
plus
write
100.
right. N is equal to 500 plus 100. That is 600. So normal reaction is 600. प्लीज नहीं समझ में आया तो पूछते जाओ. लक्ष्य आ रहा है? नहीं तो I'll explain again.
Sir,
Aryan?
get it.
Okay. See, I'll explain again. Remember, Newton's laws of motion appears very easy, but actually it is difficult to apply, right? How do we apply? So remember these simple steps. Obviously, you will study in higher syllabus in detail, but abhi jitne 9th standard ke level ke question will do it. So first we'll draw free body diagram. Free body diagram mein what we do? We show all non-contact forces and all contact forces. Non-contact forces are easy to understand. Sorry, no, in your syllabus, there is only one non-contact force, so it is easy to apply. What is that? It's gravitational force. So if anything is near Earth, you have to apply a gravitational force, which is always mg. So सबको याद रहता है. This is fine. Then एक ही contact force अभी syllabus में है, बाकी 10th में मिलेंगे, फिर 11th में and 12th में. But there is another force which comes from the support. Support से एक force आता है, उसको बोलते हैं contact force. या तो वो फ्रिक्शन के फॉर्म में होगा सरफेस के पैरेलल, या तो सरफेस के नॉर्मल. तो सरफेस के नॉर्मल जो होता है, ये सरफेस के नॉर्मल, ये वाला फोर्स आपको निकालने बोला था मैंने. तो नीचे जो सरफेस है लिफ्ट का, इट इज प्रोवाइडिंग अ रिएक्शन फोर्स. वी कॉल इट नॉर्मल रिएक्शन. सो नॉर्मल रिएक्शन लग रहा है ऊपर की तरफ, राइट? सो नॉर्मल रिएक्शन एक्ट्स इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन एंड वेट एक्ट्स इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. ठीक है. Now you have to think net force किधर होना चाहिए. तो उसके लिए you have to mark acceleration first. So what I saw that acceleration is 2 upwards. What I saw? Acceleration is 2 upwards. So if acceleration is 2 upwards, net force, that is mass into acceleration. So 50 into 2, net force should be 100 upwards. मुझे पता चला ऊपर की तरफ 100 न्यूटन फोर्स लगना चाहिए, कट पिट के सब बच के. तो जब नीचे 500 है तो ऊपर 600 लगेगा, तभी तो ऊपर 100 बचेगा ना. नो, if upward force, see, I have identified 2 forces acting on. One is in upward direction, other is acting in downward direction. So upward force should be 600. Why? Because downward is 500. So it should be 100 more than this. Then only it can move in upward direction. तो net force जिधर होगा उधर ही तो object accelerate करेगा. Accelerate ऊपर कर रहा है. That means net force is acting in upward direction. So net force is 100 upwards. Hence, normal reaction should be 600 Newton. No. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vishishta, is it clear or I'll explain again? Hello.
Sir, clear.
Okay. So
So
this is
clear.
answer. No. Okay. Normal reaction is 600 Newton. Right? Chalo. Try next one. A car is moving with a speed of 20 meters per second on applying brakes, comes to rest uniformly after covering a distance of 40 meters. Find average retarding force given mass of car is 500 kg. Do it.
Sir, first do we do the car one or the string one?
No, try this. Let's do carbon. हेलो, आ रहा है?
Sir, tension in the string is 200 Newton.
Tension in the string, no. We did not try this one, Prisha. ये किसी से नहीं हुआ? This one. See.
No, sir.
There's a car, right, which was moving with 20 meter per second. Brakes are applied. When brakes are applied, which force do you expect will act along the surface in this direction? So friction force acts in this direction, or we can call it drag force, a retarding force. Okay. Due to which finally this car comes to rest, right? This car comes to rest. Speed becomes 0. After covering how much distance? After covering a distance of 40 meters, when it was moving 20 meters per second. The question is, what is acceleration which it undergoes? The first thing you have to determine is acceleration which it undergoes. So find the acceleration of the car first. Hello. Acceleration आएगा. Initial speed is known. Final speed का अंदाजा है. Distance traveled का अंदाजा है.